Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Consultant Mindset. I hope you guys are doing incredible. Our channel mainly aims at providing people with consultancy and recommendations so that they can handle their daily life issues. Nowadays, in the era of technology and advancement, everyone is trying to get success. Success is something that any layman cannot attain. That is why everyone on this planet is not successful. Success requires hard work, consistency, and courage to cope with failure. In this video, I will recommend to you some powerful tips by which you can achieve major portions of your successful career. Let us get straight into the video without wasting much time. Before that, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive into it. Set alarms to get refocus. According to some research studies, it has been revealed that the attention span of the average human being is about 20 to 30 minutes. Some adults have an attention span of around 4 or 5 minutes. But these people manage to refocus their attention by setting alarms and stuff. Consistently giving attention to something is not part of human nature. Humans have to constantly withdraw their attention to the required topic, especially when the lecture is boring and is not of interest to the reader. It gets more tedious and tiring. This problem can be overcome by setting various alarms so that you can remain on the right track. Setting alarms will let you remain focused and composed on your track. Sometimes social media notifications can get your attention as well. These distractions can be controlled by switching off your mobile phones and by turning off your social media notifications. Keep in mind, do not forget to set alarms on your clocks instead of on mobile phones, because the addiction to social media applications will not let you sit in peace and will keep drawing your attention. So try to get yourself away from social media. Set your alarm for every hour so that it can help you realize what you have been doing since morning. Go through all-day activities. To make sure that you have been productive all day or not, you can take about 5 minutes from your whole day and can evaluate what you have done all day. You can just do an evaluation of how many hours you have been productive. This is called self-evaluation. Self-evaluation is something that helps you overcome your flaws. Humans are not perfect, everyone has flaws and everyone tends to make mistakes. A person who does not acknowledge his/her mistakes cannot do anything and cannot achieve anything in life. The people who identify their mistakes and work on them tend to move forward. The idea of going through all-day activities helps you get along well with your schedule. In this way, you can kick those things out of your schedule that tends to block your way. I will explain this with an example. Considering this, going through all-day activities reveals that you are giving more attention to the least important things. By realizing it, you can change your schedule a bit. In this way, the most important tasks requiring more energy will be on top of the schedule. As you are more energetic and boosted in the morning, you can just do the important tasks in the morning. The rest of the tasks requiring less energy can be done at any time of the day. Plan your day. It is the most important step of 18 minutes of success. Some people think that making a to-do list will not be as effective. But they are wrong. A to-do list is one of the important ingredients to fulfill your tasks. Whenever we do not have plans for the day, we do not have any idea what we are going to do all day, we cannot achieve it. Making a to-do list will help you in realizing that you have tasks to do. At the start of your day, spare 5 minutes to think about how you are going to spend your day. Think of all the possible tasks that can be done, and write them down on the list. Make sure to write down the time of the tasks as well. In this way, it will become binding on you and you will forbid yourself from wasting time on other applications. Planning a day and writing all tasks can help you become more organized and achieve all your tasks. Try fulfilling all the things written on the to-do list and you will become as happier as you have achieved success. Although it is just a mini success, still fulfilling all the tasks will help you do even better in the future. In concluding my whole discussion, I must say that procrastination is the most common problem nowadays. But it can be controlled by making a to-do list. In this way, you will become restricted to doing incomplete tasks first. Setting alarms will act as a reminder to keep you on track. Following all the steps will make you closer to success. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.